Welcome to MakeForms tutorial series. In this video, we'll look at the image field. The image field is a non-input field. It does not collect any response from users and is only used to display an image within the form. This makes it useful for branding, visual guidance, or providing context before a question. Start in the Form Builder. From the Fields panel, add the image field to your form. Move your cursor over the image field in the form editor. As you hover, an edit icon appears on top of image field. Click the edit icon. This opens the media gallery pop-up where you can choose the image you want to use. Inside the pop-up, you can select images in a few different ways. Use Upload to add a new image from your device. Once the upload is complete, the same image is automatically saved and becomes available in My Gallery for reuse across your forms. Use My Gallery to reuse images you've uploaded earlier, which is especially useful when the same logo, banner, or header image is used across multiple forms. You can also choose an image directly from the image library. Once you select an image, it appears in the form immediately. Now open the image field settings from the right side panel. Alignment setting controls where the image sits inside the form layout. You can position the image to the left, center, or right within the form. Let's keep the alignment set to center. Next is Change Width option. Turn this on when you want to control the image width instead of using the default size. Once enabled, MakeForms shows a width % control. Use the width % input to set how wide the image should be inside the form. A smaller percentage makes the image narrower and leaves more space around it. A larger percentage makes the image take up more of the form width. The preview updates as you change it, so you can fine-tune quickly. If the image is set to full width, alignment is no longer applicable because the image already spans the entire container. Now add the image alternate name. This field lets you add descriptive alt text for the image. It improves accessibility and provides a helpful fallback if the image fails to load. That is how the image field works in MakeForms. Stay tuned for more tutorials.